Machiegni kendo, Jatend migao mar Riwruog saga Wycliffe Oparanya osingo ne jopiny ni piny owacho biro siro riwruoge matindo ka gichwalo rido arita mag weche mbui kata cyber security. Oparanya bende nolero ni tijegi kaka apisi en neno ni ohand riwruoge mitayo kod jopiny kaka mano mar Riwruog Unitas odhi nyime yo makare. Jakom Riwruog Unitas bende nochiwo ranyisi mar yore mopogore ma jopith nyalo tiyo godo e chwalo weche mag pith e kinde mohala ne piny kaka yo mar kawo gope matindo mondo mi gigogo jeko ohelni mag magi.
Secretary, we also have as cooperative bank, we have Director Vincent Marango.
Answer many questions for our members.
Continuous members' education is essential, especially for our elderly members who may be less familiar with rapidly evolving technologies and the complexities introduced by artificial intelligence. My ministry will continue to support SACCOs to adopt, deepen, and embrace the usage of safe and secure ICT in their financial products and service offering. This is also aligned to the national government's digital economy vision as enshrined in the bottoms-up economic transformation agenda.
The role this SACCO plays, especially to farmers, support to farmers, and in areas of coffee, tea, avocado, dairy farming, you've really supported farmers and you're a true pillar in the growth of this economy.
Giko neto ringre obila